You've been searching for a great salad recipe to prepare for you and a friend for lunch. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have the great recipe for you with grilled chicken strip salad. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken strips. Time to make the honey mustard dressing. I'm gonna check the dressing. And it's perfect. Salad has an interesting history dating back thousands of years. The Romans in ancient Greece enjoyed mixed greens with dressing as a precursor to modern salads. By the 18th and 19th centuries, the French helped shape modern salad culture, introducing mayonnaise-based dressings and popularizing classics like Caesar salad. Let's build the salad. Feel free to use your favorite lettuce. Let's get a portion on a plate. Time to add the grilled chicken strips. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite.
Yep.
While the chicken strips are grilled to perfection, the delightful mix of crisp garden fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, feta cheese, and walnuts pair well with the chicken strips. And of course, the tangy Dijon mustard dressing elevates the overall flavor profile. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one great lunch for two. Stay with us, watch the next video.